So now that's all about that, about using the site edge check tools. And in order to enable us to also get more familiar to see how making changes work, so we're also going to be making use of another plugins, and this time around I'm going to be making use of the second plugin, which is the WP Reset plugin. So if you want to navigate back to your plugin dashboard, you move your cursor to the left option here, you see plugins, so click on plugins, and when you click on plugins, so it's going to show you all the plugins that you have installed on your site. So I want to make use of this second plugin, which is the WP Reset. So all I have to do is click on activate. So when you click on activate, it's going to activate the plugins. And what this plugin does, which is the second plugin, what it does is it helps you reset your entire website. So you have to be very, very careful with how you use it. It is a note of warning. Be careful with how you use some certain plugins, as they can make reversible or irreversible changes on your website. So sometimes it's just best to make a backup before you, if you're unsure of how to get started. So now I want to make use of this WP Reset. So what this WP Reset does is it resets the entire website. So like I earlier mentioned, when you activate a new plugin, you are either going to find the options here, or you find the option from this appearance section, or the tools section, or the set section. So for instance, this WP Reset, I can find it in the tools section, which is just right here. So all I have to do is click on open WP Reset tools. So this is the page for the WP Reset tools, and what it does is, please read carefully before proceeding. Resetting will delete all posts, pages, custom post types, comments, media entries, users, or default WP data. So you have to read the instruction very well, because these plugins will actually reset your website to the very beginning, like before we started. So you have to be very careful. And the beautiful thing about this is that you can actually it has options. Like for instance, you can decide to reactivate your current theme. You can reactivate your WP Reset plugin. You can also reactivate all the currently active plugins that is in your dashboard. So if you are ready to make the if you are ready to reset your website, you're going to click on reset. You're going to type reset here and click on reset. So, and before you do that, you can also create a snapshot. A snapshot is like making a backup of your entire website before you start to make the reset. So that is that about the WP Reset plugin. You can also navigate around to see the other tools and available function that is available. So you can also navigate around to see the other tools and available options that are here. For instance, we have the tools section here, which allows you to delete, transcend, delete plugins. We have the snapshot. So snapshot is like a copy of all your WP database tables, standard and customized. You also have collections here. You have the collection is actually with it comes with the WP Reset Pro, and you also have the support that you can also message the developer of the plugins if you have any issue with the plugin. So that's how the WP Reset works. And because I did not want to reset my entire website, so I would have actually made the changes here to show you how it works, but I do not want to reset my website, so I'm just going to leave it as it is.